So hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm in coaching center. Today I'm going to explain you a 10th standard science chapter 5 periodic classification of elements part 2 video. So last video I explained about Mendele's periodic table. So now let's come to the modern periodic table. So it was made by Henry. He used the he used the Mendele's periodic table to make this periodic table, and he putted the elements. He putted elements in increasing. He putted the elements in increasing order of their atomic number. If the atomic number, the element that has more atomic number, he put it at up, and that less he put it at last. This is the modern periodic table. It is modern periodic table that he made, as well as this is the modern periodic table. And he also took care of limitations. Took care of limitation of Mendeleev's periodic table limitation which are there. That limitation also he took care, and he also arranged the hydrogen as the Mendeleev said, and position in the modern periodic table. So it has 18 vertical columns that is called as groups. It is called as groups, and it has 7 horizontal column that is called as periods. So you may see some elements contain same number of electrons, same number of valence electrons. Example, fluorine and chlorine. For example, fluorine and chlorine, they have valence electron. Fluorine has valence electron as 17. Hydrogen can be placed anywhere. Hydrogen can be placed in 1 or 17th period. In one first period, you can see in the periodic table the hydrogen is placed in 17th one period. We can place it there or in 17th. Here you can see first is hydrogen. We can place it here, or here also we can place the hydrogen can be placed. So the elements of second period don't have same valence electrons. The elements of second period, here, lithium, beryllium, but it has same cells, but it has same shells. Elements in third period or have the shells of K shells, L shell and M shell. They have the second period, third period elements. They have K, L and M shells. They have position can tell about them. The position of elements in periodic table. in periodic table can tell us about them about the element. Valency 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 so what is valency means the valence electrons present in the outermost cell of present in the outermost shell of an atom the valence electron present in the outermost shell of an atom is called as valency or valence electron. Atomic size means the radius of the atom can be determined as atomic size. Atomic radius, so this is important. The atomic radius decreases from left to right in groups, right? And the atomic size increases, and atomic size increases from down to up in that period. Metal and non-metal properties in the periodic table. So the metal are in left side, and the non-metal are in right side. Non-metals are in right side. Metal in right side. Silicon are called as semi-metal because they have called semi-metal because they shows the property of both metal and non-metal. The metal character decreases across the period. Metal properties decreases across the period group and across the period and increases and decreases across a group. In a group it decreases, and in metal character increases in the here it increases across the period. It decreases, but here it increases across a group. The metal character decreases across the period and increases across the group. This was your chapter, the periodic classification of elements. So I explained all the topics of this chapter. So okay friends, like, subscribe, comment on my video and subscribe my channel and question center for more videos. I will explain the next chapter in my next video. Till then, take care and have a nice day friends. Bye friends. See you and take care and have a nice day friends. Bye friends.